Good day, everyone. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to Night Owl Bodycams. Today, we are off to a particular college where a student is upset with the police because they used the wrong pronoun to describe her. Let's get into it, shall we?
On February 5th, 2025, officers responded to a college campus in reference to a disturbance.
What's the problem?
Why do you let those kids get away with this? They are not supposed to be here!
If you don't lower your voice, I am going to put handcuffs on you and I'm going to take you to a Baker Act facility. You lower your voice.
Fucking try it.
What? You think you're tougher than the cops? Really?
Are you threatening me?
You're threatening me.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not just...
Because I'm here right now to deal with a stolen vehicle. I ain't got time to hear you screaming and yelling.
I don't have time to constantly be abused.
We'll get OPD down here then, because I gotta work this stolen vehicle.
What do you mean, OPD?
Alpha 73 University.
Alpha 73?
Can we get another unit to deal with Jay Lee here? He is having a breakdown.
Say! Just say the right pronoun!
What'd you say?
7351.
Get down on the ground right now.
No!
You're about to get sprayed.
No,
Get down on the ground right now.
Leave me alone!
I can come in there.
Leave me alone, please!
Okay, are you gonna calm down?
I'm getting my phone out. I have to
Okay,
film
I'm
this.
telling you. Are you gonna calm down?
I
You don't
will-
charge a
I will
police
calm-
Are you kidding, lady? I mean, to look at you, there's nothing that would actually denote gender. I mean, what you're wearing is very gender neutral. So how is he supposed to know that you identify as a woman? What, you think he had some kind of crystal ball? All you had to do is say, "Officer, I identify as a woman," and it would have been fine. You didn't have to flip out on him like this. I mean, now I can almost guarantee you it's going to be a lot worse for you.
Down! I will calm
Do you know what this is?
I
This
will
is
calm
OC
down
spray.
when you get the pepper spray out of my face!
Alpha 73
Leave me
University.
alone!
I have
Just please!
pepper spray
Please!
at this individual
Just
right
stop
now.
pointing the pepper spray at me! I will calm down if you do that! Stop threatening me!
Yeah, lower your voice.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Do you want to get tased?
I want you to leave me alone!
Josh.
You have been particularly abusing me!
If you come,
You did it!
if you come towards me
You
one more time,
follow me!
you are gonna.
And sent abusing administrators!
I gotta deal
Don't
with
you
this story. I
remember?
gotta deal with this story.
Don't you remember?
Jaylee, don't,
He's
don't
a-
focus on me, okay?
Execution 97. 13.
Okay?
Get away!
Jaylee,
You don't tell me where to go.
let me stop.
Fuck you! Fuck you, cop!
Alpha 73 University.
Look at the guy that came over to help. As soon as she came out with that, it's like, oh, sorry, you're on your own.
Jaylee,
I want to be away from
No,
him.
it's too late now. It's too late now. He's gonna be taken away.
Shay!
Jaylee, you need to stop. Stop.
It's taken.
Jaylee,
I just want to get away from him.
I understand that.
He needs.
Shay!
He.
Shay! 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 Stop! Misgendering me! Just say Shay!
Alpha 73?
Okay. But right now, the cop continuing to refer to she as a him is kind of being a bit of a D-bag, I think. But she definitely has some issues, and I think it goes way beyond what pronouns being used.
Josh, can you please just tell them to use the right pronouns? Please! You know it's causing me a lot of distress.
Jaylee, I need you to bring it down here though, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you very nicely. Put your stuff down, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Alpha 70, Riley Rivera.
Not going
your-
to be arrested.
Put your stuff down.
Rivera.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay, so
You just mentioned trying to get
I'm
on
only
Riley.
gonna ask you one more time. You can record all you want, but it's already beyond that point. We already tried.
You're stressing me out.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just asking you to
Yeah,
please stop
we,
stressing.
we already tried to help you. So
No, you didn't.
yes.
You came in with hostile intent.
Put your hands.
Be alone.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't
Get on the
hurt
ground.
me.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't hurt me.
Get down on the ground right now.
Hey.
You know what? I've honestly never understood why people decide they're going to try to find the cops. I mean, it never ends well. It's not like if you put up enough of a fight, they're going to go, well, gee, this guy's too tough for me. I'm sorry. This woman is too tough for me. I'm just going to let her go. It never ends that way. It's best just to comply, let them put the cuffs on, and fight it in court.
Come on. I gotta. Come on this way. Stop. Get down. Get down.
Leave me alone. Help! Help me!
Get him down.
Her!
Get down. Get him down.
Let go. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back, please.
I can't.
No.
My rights. I just wanted you to.
Come on, stop.
Josh, please. Josh. Josh, please. This is all a big misunderstanding.
I'm gonna spray him.
No, please don't say him. Her.
Okay, her. I'm gonna spray her.
Thank you.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Yes. I don't want to spray you.
On three,
Hey.
reference.
One.
Give me your hand.
One resisting. As you get one.
Can I? Is there any way I can?
No, give me your hand.
Please.
Give me your hand.
I just. Please. I can calm down if you just give me some space.
See what's gonna happen?
Emergency north for 988 reference
That hurt.
I just need
Put your hand behind your back.
I just
Put your
need
hand behind your
space.
back.
Put your hand
I
behind your
need
back.
space.
Give me your hand.
I just need
Give me
space,
your
please.
hand.
Put your hand.
Jalen, give me your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna tase you if you don't cooperate. Tase
Jalen,
him.
give me. Jalen, it's gonna hurt, man. Just give me your hand. He's not gonna tase you. You give me your hand.
Are you gonna arrest me?
Give
No.
me your hand.
Yes, we need
Yes.
your hand.
I don't arrest me. No!
Let go. Give me your hand.
Gonna get it again this time.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Leave me alone.
Give me your hand.
Alone.
Let me get his legs.
Give me your hand.
Please.
I got his legs. I got his legs.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Let go. Put your wrist. Relax him, okay? There you go.
We got him.
And we got charges.
What, battery?
And battery on Leo.
They were attacking me. What was I supposed to do?
Okay.
Comply! Now you're under arrest for battery on Leo.
Watch your head.
Roll over. Now get up.
Josh, please.
On your knee.
I'm trying.
Now stand up.
I can't
I have my phone.
I'm sure I don't know where it is.
Ow, I can't get up.
You said you did taser, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call.
Her.
Yeah.
Her. Her.
Ma'am, I think you got a little bit bigger problems than what pronouns they've been using.
What do you think?
Josh,
Anyone or any references?
Stun. Sit down. We're gonna have the fire department take a look at you.
Josh, this is a big misunderstanding.
You're good.
Let's just take it to the car.
You're gonna be all right on this. Put him in my patrol car.
Okay.
I'll take him.
What?
Come on.
You're gonna be all right.
Come on.
Oh,
Thanks, Josh.
can I have my phone back?
We'll get your belongings, all right?
I hate you all. I hate you. You escalated this. You didn't have to pull out the pepper spray. You didn't have to continue to scare me.
Do you want more units downtown?
You knew my buddies and you set them off.
I'll live out shortly, but I think we were okay for now.
Please step.
What?
Do not push me.
Okay, bye. Can I go to Delta 13, Delta 15, 1065?
Your camera's on the whole time now?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was too.
Okay.
I mean, I came in. I thought someone was
Delta
fighting
15, 1065.
because he was going off on security.
That's all good.
I told him to calm down.
47 East Robinson, 47 East Robinson
He
on
wouldn't.
Magnolia.
I told him that he was
There's
about to
gonna
get
be a
arrested.
Delta,
He charged me
check
like that.
for a white
Without a pepper spray.
van.
And I said, he's about to get sprayed.
That's when I got involved. I got a cuff on him, and when we got him against the elevator,
So when you had the spray out, are you know, you said you
I did not spray him.
Okay.
Yeah. So when he came, when I was trying to get him to calm down, is when he freaking damn motioned towards me, and I said, I'm gonna spray you.
Okay.
Then I pulled out the spray.
Okay.
Everybody else started clearing. I tried to calm him down. I even had Josh try to talk to him. He wouldn't calm down. I told him that today he was gonna go if he doesn't freaking damn cooperate. Finally, at one point, I said, hey, it's already too late for everything. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm trying to do this as peacefully as possible.
Yeah.
Kept on resisting, grabbed him, and it was on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I grabbed, Riley secured one hand, and then I was able to cuff it. But as we were trying to secure it to his back, his second hand around, he rotated around and threw a closed fist at me.
Okay.
Did he hit you?
Maybe did, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, he didn't. I mean, he tried, but
I was able. I think because I don't remember even actually, but
what saved was me grabbing his legs.
yeah.
Because if I didn't get his legs,
But then he grabbed my mic. As you see, it's all stretched out. He grabbed my mic, trying to rip it off, and like I said, he kept. And then when we got him against the second elevator, he threw a kick. That one hit me.
Okay.
He threw a kick on me, and then we tried to get him, and like I said, we just kept bouncing back and forth with him until we finally got him on the ground.
here's the thing, though, to think about. Should he be back-racked or should he be taken to jail?
I mean, they can do that at the jail.
Okay, because
depends.
he's going to need some care.
Yeah.
There's something wrong.
Yeah.
And he definitely can't be with Gen Pop. They will destroy him.
No, they're going to put no. In this case with this particular individual, they're probably going to put him in protective custody as soon as we get there. As soon as he gets out of processing.
I appreciate you coming. But yeah.
Well, I guess that pretty much wraps it up, doesn't it? Now, do I think that the cops continuing to refer to her as him was a bit of a dickhead move? Perhaps. I mean, it in no way excuses her for the way she's acting. But in the end, the cops did seem to have her best interest at heart. I mean, they were quite correct on what the general population would do to her, not because of what she identifies as, but just the way she acts. And it sounds like they are going to see about getting her the mental help that she actually needs. Anyway, this video was originally posted by a channel called Inside the Blue TV. As always, I left a link in my description to the original video in case you want to go see that, so you don't have to put up with me and my constant interruptions. And if you do decide to check out their channel, then don't forget to send them lots of love because they got a lot of great things on the channel. Speaking of channels with a lot of great things on them, Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share my video. It really does help my channel out. If you did like the video, then maybe you're like one of the ones that's on your screen right now. That's all for today. Thanks for coming. Until next time, remember, the night owl is always watching.